Good morning, everyone. I learned about a new tool that I want to share with you that'll probably help you with your vocabulary. I know each week you've been getting your pictures and you've been looking for collocates and making sentences related to the tone vocabulary. But what I would like you to do this week is to check out a new tool called Stringnet. Now, you can go to Google or you can click on the link here in your homework to Stringnet. But what's nice about Stringnet is that it gives you both patterns of how words are used and the collocations. So if you take in one of this week's words, which is ironic, and you go into the search pattern, what happens is it's going to give you the most common patterns. So it is ironic that, or it was ironic that, and you can go in and click on the frequencies to see the sample sentences. And these sample sentences, of course, can help you write your own sentences. Now, you can control how things go by looking at the search options. For example, if you want to say, I want to see a frequency, I want it to be very frequent. And what that means is a lot of people are saying it this way. Then you may want to have a frequency over 50 and you want to set the default by frequency. And so now when you do your search, what you're going to notice is again, now it's only going to bring you the searches that are of the highest frequency. So these are examples of how ironic is used. And so here's 183 examples. So he found it ironic that. It was ironic that. These are collocates, but they're also examples of how the word ironic is used. Now, in addition to giving you the patterns, Stringnet will also give you the collocations. So let's go ahead and go in there and try that. This time we're going to click on collocations. And what we're going to do is we're going to look for, let's just say we're going to look for words after. I'll tell you what, let's look for nouns that come after ironic when ironic is being used to describe, which means it's being used as an adjective. And we want a minimum frequency of 50. No, let's just keep a minimum frequency of 10. Let's see what happens. And sort by frequency. I'll tell you what, let's keep a minimum frequency of 1 and sort by frequency, and that way we'll get the highest frequencies and see what happens. Are you ready? And so now what you're going to see is oh, look, ironic smile. The person made an ironic comment, or there was an ironic twist. These are collocates that are nouns. Now, if I wanted to switch and look for other words, or say search in any category, I can search that way as well. And so what you're going to notice now is that other words are used with ironic quite a bit. For example, ironic that has isn't it ironic that is the most frequent use of the word ironic. And so I just wanted to share this tool with you. It's free, it's easy to use, and if you're writing your sentences, it's a great way to identify a new word and see how that word is used in context. All right, so I hope that helps. Bye-bye.